So, Dad, how about the movie?
Was my belt under there?
No.
Nope.
Hey, Daddy!
Stephanie, I may not heard it. You hiding my belt?
No!
Ew.
Did you find it?
Nobody just flared. Okay, we're not taking a picture.
I farted.
You pooping? You pooping?
Where's your belt?
I don't know. I'm looking for it, you jackass.
I'm gonna find it and then I'm gonna be like, who's retarded?
I'm retarded. I'm running late and I'm dealing with two retarded freaking females. Find it?
You're nipping.
Hush. Alright, let me have it.
You're retarded. Where you going, huh?
Chili bowl.
Oh yeah, you told us that.
That's not the right belt, dork.
Oh.
Here it is.
You're retarded.
Retard? Look at
Stephanie, are you hiding my belt?
boobs.
My boobs.
Stephanie, are you hiding my belt? Huh?
What size do you wear? You like that? You like that? Okay.